What does your child learn in mathematics? Fraction. Fraction is often seen as a difficult topic, but it doesn't have to be. The most important things in fraction, there are two things. The first one is this. Your child needs to learn how to name parts that you get out of 1. If I let each circle represent 1 and I cut it up into equal parts, they would learn that when the parts are equal, the parts, they all have name. And the names depend on how many make up 1. When 4 parts make 1, the name of each part in the English language is fourth. When the 1 is cut up into 6 equal parts, the name of each in the English language is 6. And when the 1 is cut up into more parts, 12 equal parts, the name of each of these is 12. Of course, I can spell the word out, but I can also use a symbol to replace the word. This symbol represents a word. I can spell the word 6 out, but I can also represent it using a symbol like that. This symbol is read like so, 6. Likewise, fourth, or sometimes we say quarter, can also be written in a symbol like that. This is one of the two important things your child needs to learn, that the denominator in a fraction is nothing but a symbol. Denominator is a name of the pieces that we get from 1. When 4 pieces make 1, the name of the piece is fourth, and that's the symbol. The second important thing that your child learns in fraction is the idea of equivalent fraction. Your child must be able to say things like fourth, 1/4 has the same value as, and they can use materials like that to help them figure out, in this case, 3 of the purple ones. And we know the name of the purple ones, 12. So 1/4 has the same value as 3 12s. That is the second important thing that your child learns in fraction. If your child have these two things, everything in fraction would be easy. Let me demonstrate. When they need to do 4/5 share between 2, or usually we write it like so, do you see how easy it is? 4/5 share between 2 is no different from 4 cookies share between 2. Any child who can do 4 apples share between 2 persons can do 4/5 share between 2. Of course, you end up with 2/5, which you can write like so. So fraction is not difficult. It is merely an extension of what they already know from whole numbers. These are the two most important things your child learn in fraction. How to name the fraction and how to read the symbol, as well as being able to do equivalent fraction fairly quickly. Why is this important? Sometimes they need to share 1/4 between 2. And 1 share between 2 is not very convenient to do. But if your child is good in equivalent fraction, he or she knows that 1/4 is 2/8. And 2/8 share between 2. It's like 2 apples share between 2. It's like 2 cookies share between 2. 2 whatever share between 2, we end up with 1 of that thing. In this case, 1/8. That is why equivalent fraction is so important. These are the two most important things your child learns in fraction. How to name them and the symbol, and how to do equivalent fraction.